I'll just do voiceover after, like the.
Oh, you talk over the video?
Yeah, or just do those bubbles, whatever, because it's too noisy here anyways.
Garage Buster.
Come on, Pascal, rush, do it quick.
We gotta start again.
It's okay.
Oh, you do the bubble like the comics.
Yeah, bubble, comics. Bubble gum.
So I'm gonna.
You gotta hold it like that and tight.
And tight, okay.
And then tight back kind of thing.
So what did you do? It's a sprocket or a chain tension?
That's to lose the chain.
Okay. And what
And
about
to tight the sprocket, you need to hold the rear brake and pedal forward. Toe is tight.
And that's it.
Yeah.
So first you loosen it. Okay, that's it, right?
First you loosen it.